What you doing, Ollie? You almost done?
We're about to take the roofing tiles out.
What are roofing tiles?
The black things on the roof.
Oh, yeah. That was a dumb question. For those of you that know, we've been dealing with, well, we moved into this house 10 years ago this summer and quickly realized there was, well, we knew before we moved here. It was my dad's house before it was ours. And let's just say there was a lot of things wrong, but there was definitely some leaking issues in the roof, and we, you know, had a lot of other things we had to take care of, and so it's just sort of been on the back burner, and it's slowly gotten worse and worse and worse. And this year we decided that it was too late. I mean, it had to be done, and so it became priority number one, and my husband has been up on the roof with the kids working on that pretty much nonstop for the last month, and they are so close to being done. It is ridiculous, and we are so excited because this last storm, when Cristobal went through, not last night but the night before, it didn't leak, and that's the first time we have not had some kind of a leak somewhere in 10 years.
You know, Tammy asked me, why are we taking the metal off, taking the roofing tiles off, and going down to bare wood and putting rubber? Well, the problem is that I have found, since we've lived in this house, is the roof is not sloped near enough for the water to run off, and if there's any wind, the water will run underneath the tiles and get into the house. So for the time that we've lived in the house, we've had leaks. We've chased leaks here, we've chased leaks there, we've had leaks everywhere. So about 2 years ago, I tried the rubber roof on one portion, which is that portion over there. It stopped the leaks. Haven't leaked in that portion for 2 years. So we decided to do the rest of the addition on the house in rubber. And so we're finishing it up. Hopefully we're gonna finish it up today.
And don't judge me. Don't judge me.